You are going to love the 2015 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, voice activated navigation system. Come take a test drive today.